What's up, guys? I'm back for another video. In this one I'm going to be doing the snorting pepper challenge. Or not snorting really, but I'm seeing if it will actually make you sneeze. I guess I do have to snort it though. Oh god. This may be the most stupidest thing I've ever done. Oh god. I'm gonna get this one for a while. Well, that concludes this episode. I'll see you guys later.